Hello, I'm back again. It's not a game this time, so you're gonna have to forgive me. This is a little bit of a plug here. So this website called Freecash. This is how I earn money in my spare time by playing games and things like that. It's not huge amounts of money, but it's definitely something I want to show you guys if you don't know it already. It is not a scam. It is not the best thing ever. I'm not going to lie and say it's amazing, but you can get some fairly decent money with very little effort, and if you're playing games on your phone anyway, why not, you know? So this website basically has a bunch of offers like this, and they'll expect you to get to different levels in certain games that the advertisers pay for, like that reach level 5 and so on in, say, Dice Dreams, and they will then pay you out for each quest that you've completed for a particular offer, so for a particular game, and you can cash it out to various different payment methods. You can cash it out to stake if you want to just gamble directly with the money, or you can cash it out to crypto, you can cash it out to gift cards, Uber Eats, things like that. I've been using it for years now, so I'd definitely say it's pretty decent. Let me log in and show you my account, okay, so just bear with me. So here we are on my main dashboard. This is on the website version. It would obviously look a little bit different on the phone, but you have their gaming offers across the top here. Got other offers. Some of them aren't games, some of them will expect you to like sign up, say like Alibaba, and just check out the website. You'll get a little bit of money from that, but you've got various games here, and depending on what you're using, you'll have different games available as well. So if you're an Android person like me, you'll have these games, but then say like we go to the iPhone, you'll have different games available, and they all have different reward levels and different expectations of what they want you to get done. So let's have a look at this one. This is obviously a featured one. I think this is going to show up in Japanese. Yep, it is, but I can explain it. So you'll get this screen before you go on a quest, and these are all the things you can complete and the different reward levels. It's shown in pounds, but it will probably show in your local currency. So for example, we can earn two pence or 2 cents per day by playing the game for two minutes. That's how simple that is, and you can do that 90 times. Play it for 2 days, you get 13 cents, and so on and so on. If you play it in 10 days and you reach level 135, you'll get £27, which is quite a decent amount of money, and I would say you can probably achieve that. And if you're not satisfied with their featured offers and things like that, you've got these surveys as well that you can do. These are a bit of a pain in the neck, to be honest. I don't really like doing these unless I've got a lot of spare time or I'm really bored. But you can get like, say, like £1 for doing a little survey. But the problem is they disqualify you quite quickly, so they're not always guaranteed. The same goes for the games as well. They're not always guaranteed to pay out, so it's best to check some of their like easier quests just to make sure. So if you achieve this one, for example, and you play the game for 2 minutes and it gives you some money, you can probably be sure that the rest of them are going to pay out as well, because you don't want to get all the way down here and then get no money out of it. And then, as well as the featured offers here, which are usually run by the website itself, you've also got various offer partners. So one's like Payouts Studios. That's a pretty good one to go with. One that's got like a good reputation. Some of them got better reputations than others. So for example here, this is a desktop offer, so you don't even need to do this on your phone. You can download World of Warships and unlock any tier 1 ship and use it in several battles. So that'll be 2,600 coins, which equates to about $2.50. And then you got $6.8 there to get a tier 2 ship and use it in some battles. So some of them are very straightforward, and you've got some of these here. Now, here's where you can cash out. So I've got a few quid just sitting in the account here at the moment. So you can cash it out to stake and get a 15% bonus on anything you withdraw. So that's always a good idea, because you can just cash it straight out from stake anyway. Like, you don't have to gamble it away. You can just put it in your crypto wallet or something. And if you're not interested in that, you've got PayPal as well, with the various levels, Visa cards, crypto directly. I think it depends where you're living, depends on the options you'll get, but there's various options. You get daily bonuses, so if you complete enough challenges every day, you can get a daily reward. So it'll be a random amount of money. It might be a couple of cents. Might be like a few quid. You never know. You might get lucky. But it does like a Counter-Strike case. It just spins across the screen. They got the bonus ladder, which I don't think they're doing at the moment, but that's another way to just get extra cash every day. You got the leaderboards. If you hit the top of the leaderboard like these people, you can get a prize every month or every day. Some of these people get crazy amounts of money. I have no idea how they do that, but they obviously use the site very efficiently. And if you want to see my stats here, let's see what I've got here. Alright, so there's me. 3 years ago I joined, and I've earned in total £624 and 67 pence. And that's with me just doing it on and off whenever I kind of feel like it. And I've done 230 offers. The last 30 days I got £21. Some of these offers here, just random things I did. Puzzles and chaos. Some of these just 2 pence ones and whatever. And that's about that. It's not gonna make you rich. You're not gonna earn like crazy amounts of money on it unless you're like on it all the time. But if you want to get like a few quid just on the side, it's a very good website. It can be a little bit hit and miss whether the offers track or not. So sometimes it won't pay out and the support isn't very good. But on the flip side, they pay out instantly. You can get the money into your stake account in seconds. You can get the money into your crypto account in seconds. It's pretty much instant. So they do at least pay out, and you can earn a decent amount of money. I'll put the link in the description of the video anyway, and definitely check it out. As I say, it's not the best thing ever, but definitely take a look if you're interested in a little bit of extra cash. Alright, anyway, I'll catch you later. Goodbye.